Hi, I am Dr. Ajit, Specialist Endocrinologist at Aster Medical Center, KCS. Today we will be discussing about goiter. Goiter is a descriptive term denoting the presence of swelling of the thyroid gland. It does not indicate whether the goiter or the swollen thyroid gland is functioning more or less, or it does not show the nature of the disease also. So a patient presenting with goiter can have excess thyroid function, that is hyperthyroidism, low thyroid function, that is hypothyroidism, or can have normal thyroid status also. And such patients can have either a malignant condition, that is thyroid cancer, or non-malignant condition also. So based on the patient's symptoms and clinical features and blood investigations or other tests, we have to decide the nature of the disease, whether the patient has abnormal thyroid function or the patient has a thyroid tumor. So diagnosis will depend on ultrasound, examination of the thyroid to see the nature of the swelling, and FNAC, where we do the test using a small needle inserted into the thyroid to take a small bit of tissue to study that it under the microscope. FNAC is important to diagnose or differentiate thyroid cancer from other conditions. Thyroid cancer is eminently curable by surgery and subsequent therapy. Generally, it is fully cured. Primary responsibility of the endocrinologist or the doctor who is seeing a patient with goiter is to diagnose thyroid cancer and differentiate it from non-malignant conditions. If thyroid cancer is diagnosed, the patient is referred for surgery immediately. Other conditions are managed conservatively. If the patient has low or high thyroid function, we treat the patient accordingly. Low thyroid function is treated with thyroxine, and high thyroid function is treated with thyroid static medicine or antithyroid drugs. And regular follow-up is important. Whether the patient has a malignant condition or a benign condition, the frequency of monitoring will depend on the patient's ultrasound findings, the FNAC findings, and the blood reports. So if you have a swelling in the neck and if you think it is related to thyroid, you need to consult a doctor and get it investigated. Thyroid cancer is not something to be afraid of. Thank you. Take care.